Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how to save an Instagram story to phone gallery. So the steps are pretty simple. Simply head over to your Instagram and now you can see I have posted a story. Let me post a story again if you want that. So let's say you want to add another story, something like that. Let me just delete this particular one and let me add another story. So let's say I just added this particular story and posted it, and now I want to download it. So it is uploading. So you can see once it is uploaded, you have these the more option at the bottom right side of your screen. Click on this more and you can see you have variety of options in here. Either you can add it to highlight, save, share as posts, and so on and so forth. You can simply click on save and it will be saved in your gallery. So that's a pretty simple process to save photo, or you can save story. You can see you have two options. You can do whatever you like. So that's a pretty simple process to do so. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share around with your friends. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.